Then you make like a little round pizza of all your friends. I don't have that many friends, so.
Oh, look at the little, look at the
Oh my gosh.
that is so interesting.
Sorry. My bad. Alright guys, hope you liked this new video. Finally a new video, right?
It took a little bit.
It took a little bit. Also, let's just jump right into it. This video is going to have some clips from the poop prank because YouTube deleted it. And we have a Patreon. It's down in the description.
It's going to help us make videos a lot better for you. Plus, it's going to come with some awesome prizes. If you do donate, tell them about them.
So for $1 on Patreon a month, you can comment a video idea and we might use it. Also, we will put your name at the end of our video once a month so everybody can see it that you love us. $5, you get to comment your video idea. You get access to a video an hour early before it goes live on YouTube. And we will put your name at the end of the video once a month.
For that $5, I know there's a lot of people out there who want to be first comment on our video. That's going to help you guys out a lot.
That's true, that's true. Also, for $20, you get your name at the end of every video we ever make, just showing that you support us, and you get all the above rewards. Use your idea, access to the video, and then, last but not least, $100. This one's just iffy if you want to do it. We try to keep it cheap between $1 and $20. But $100, that's awesome too. You get everything that I've already talked about, plus a t-shirt, and a phone call from us once a month.
Definitely. And we could even put it on a live stream or something.
Yeah. So, if you want to help us out, make videos better on Patreon, link is in the description.
And we thank you guys for everything. Even just watching our videos helps, guys. Yeah. We love y'all.
You don't have to donate, but if you do, thank you. Love you.
Bang, bang.
Oh my god, bathroom.
My back's against the wall. This is not a test. It's the real deal. Help me. Help me. Nigga. Help me.
Sorry.
You're okay. I raised two boys. I know what y'all think's funny.
I didn't think it was funny, I just had to do it. Excuse me, sir.
Oh God. Oh God. Bathroom. 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 Excuse you. Excuse me, I pooped a little. Oh, it's alright. I gotta get something to clean it. You guys happen to know where the bathroom is?
Yes, sir. If you'll go straight toward the back of the store right back there, where the layaway is, there's a bathroom right there.
I don't know if I can hold it. I'll try to make it. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Do you know where our bathroom is? Oh my God. Do you have a tissue? I pooped in the floor. I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Bathroom. 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 Oh, oh my God. So
Yes.